Who is this?
Hello.
My lawyer? Okay, why do we need to talk with her?
Good question, too. I've never had anyone call an attorney on a traffic stop like that. I'm not against it. I'm just...
Welcome back to the LackLuster channel. A viewer and member of our Attorney Shield app was recently pulled over for having an expired inspection sticker and sent me this video.
I'm being pulled over. I don't know what for yet. He's at my window now.
Okay, all right.
Hello. My name's Officer Bass.
Hi there.
I have a lawyer on the phone here. That's fine. Okay. My name's Officer Bass, Montgomery County.
Hi there, my name's Laura.
Your driver's license registration insurance. The reason I pulled you over is your inspection is expired. Were you aware of that? Yep, and I'm going in 2 weeks to get it done. Okay. Oh. Thank you. You have your registration insurance? On my phone. Hey, can you grab that? Are you still going to be up there if I minimize? I think the screen just kind of blacks out.
Should be.
Okay.
Yeah. If we get disconnected, just call back, okay?
You can store all of the required documents within the Attorney Shield app, making them available to you and your legal assistants without leaving the call. After reviewing these documents, the officer returns to his cruiser.
Gonna go run everything now.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. He seems. Tell me more about what's going on. Yes. Sounds like he said he pulled you over because of your inspection.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. All right. So he seems like everything's okay though right now.
So far, yeah.
I'm good. I'm sorry you're getting pulled over. I know that's stressful. You're doing a good job. You're just remaining calm, and you don't have to answer any questions. But so far, the interaction seems okay. Do you have any questions while you're waiting?
Not really. Just want to be able to get home with the food that I just got for the kids.
Right.
He's got good eyes.
For real? How did he see that?
He was driving. He was driving the other way. He had tiny little stickers on the front.
Wow.
He was able to see that.
That's incredible. So far, the interaction has been professional and okay. Okay, good.
Yeah, I'll just never sure these days.
Oh no, this is exactly why we're here. I'm so glad you called. You just got to be careful because you never know. Yeah. So.
Yep.
Next, Paul asks a very important question in regard to how the app works.
So this is what I think it was 30 minutes. 30 minutes for the initial call, and then after that, it's there's a charge or something or other.
I believe so. I'll have somebody, when this call is over, confirm that with you.
Okay.
I'm not as versed in the payment plan as I am making sure your rights are protected.
Yeah.
When we first built the app, our payment model included a fee for every minute if the call exceeded half an hour. We have since removed those fees. Currently, the only cost is the monthly subscription charge, which, with my discount code and using the link below, is around $8 a month, and even less if you sign up for our family plan.
This is definitely an amazing app.
Yeah, I'm so glad. I'm very excited to kind of be a part of it and, help you out. So I think it's really important.
Are you one of the Long Island audit people, or?
No, I'm not. I'm an attorney. I'm actually in Alabama, and so I saw they were looking for attorneys who could kind of just be on call. And I was just very interested in the project, how they got started and why, and wanted to do something to help. And so here I am.
That's awesome. Here he goes, coming back.
Okay. All right.
All right. Is the driver's license back? What I'm doing for you, I'm giving you a citation today for driving a vehicle with an expired inspection. But what I marked it as what we call a status hearing, okay? What that means, read over the citation, front and back page if you sign guilty or not guilty. By me marking the status hearing, that just means I have no problem whatsoever. If you do plan on getting it fixed like you say you do, if you plead not guilty, take the hearing on it at district court. In the meantime, get it squared away. As long as you show up to district court and show me that it's valid by that time, I got no problem withdrawing the citation. Okay? Sound good?
Yep.
All right. Good question too. I've never had anyone call an attorney on a traffic stop like that. I'm not against it. I'm just curious. Have you had that experience in the past? Is that why?
No, it's an app.
Oh, really?
So from LackLuster and Long Island Audit.
Really?
Yeah.
I got no problem with it. Like I said, it was just I've never had anyone do it. That's why I was curious.
I just figured I'd give it a try now. Why not?
Yeah. What power to you? You know what I mean? Like I said, I got no problem with it. So, well, you're good to go then. Okay. All right. Drive safe. If you have any questions after the fact, there is a phone number on there for district court. Like I said, they'll point you in the right direction if you have any questions. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Drive safe then, okay?
Thank you.
Most states do not require an inspection sticker. In fact, a Pennsylvania senator recently argued to remove the requirement altogether in the state. Texas Governor Greg Abbott recently signed a bill into law, completely removing the vehicle inspection sticker scam from his state. But in the states that have them, an expired inspection sticker can result in a simple warning, all the way up to impounding the vehicle, and are often used as a means to fish for other crimes. In a previous encounter, Paul was forced to leave his vehicle in place and find a ride home for having an expired sticker. Hopefully, having an attorney present helped in lessening the consequences on this stop, where the officer agreed to drop the citation if Paul obtains an inspection sticker, which I have personally offered to pay for, and expect that the citation will be dropped.
Now, see,
All right, so
I've had it in the past
so that sounded
where I did have expired inspection, and they told me I couldn't drive and leave my car at the side of the road. So I'm glad.
interesting.
Yeah,
so hopefully that's what we hope, is that just having me here helps
Yes.
in that kind of situation.
Yeah.
And he seemed professional and was you had a good interaction with him.
Yep.
So, and it sounds like if you get it fixed, he'll drop the citation.
Yeah.
Is what I heard.
Yep.
Okay. All right. Do you have any other questions for me?
No, that was it.
All right. Good. We'll get home, and so those ICs maybe can survive.
Yes.
All right. And then you'll enter the PIN to hang up when you're ready.
All right. Thank you.
Okay.
Bye.
Thank you. Have a good rest of your day.
You too.
Our hope is that this will soon become the standard, and no longer will unsuspecting drivers offer information that is not required of them.
Who is this?
Hello.
My lawyer. Okay, why do we need to talk with her?
Because he has a right to have his attorney present during any questioning by police. That is why, sir.
Okay, this is a traffic stop. So I don't know who she is or whatever. I mean, this is a traffic stop. You're not being questioned. You don't need your rights advised on a traffic stop.
Thank you. See
No problem.
see how much of an asshole he is? You don't need your rights on a traffic. Then when do you need them?
Plenty more examples are on the way. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe. If you want to check out more episodes, use the links provided, linked on screen.